How you doing today? I keep hearing more and more people who are interested in starting their own business online. If you're interested in starting your own business online and leverage the power of the internet, um, you can check out our new money making system that pays you daily. Um, like I say, making money online is easy, and we'll show you how in just minutes. That's all it really takes. And if you do it consistently every day, making money online will compound and you'll grow your income exponentially. Like, a lot of people don't believe in it. A lot of people throw around words like, oh, it's fake, it's a scam, it's just not for me. I mean, the richest man in the world right now, Jeff Bezos, is worth $128 billion and growing because of Amazon. He's the CEO of Amazon. And if you don't, like, people say that the number one way to make wealth in the country is real estate. That's true. But that trend is shifting. I'm not gonna say that real estate is not, good. Real estate is one of the best ways to make money, hands down. But applying both the internet and real estate is, like I say, the whole point of starting your own business, working from home, whatever you do, is multiple streams of income. So what you want to be able to be like, if one thing is going slow business wise, you want to be able to back it up with some other form of business. And with that being the case, everything channels through the internet at this point. If you want to learn something, you go to the internet. If you want to do something, you go to the internet. Um, like I say, I told someone earlier, some of the most successful billionaires. I named off a few. I said Steve Jobs. I said Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. You know what I'm saying? These are the people I named, and Jeff Bezos. And I named these people, and I was like, all these people are tech. It's all tech and data, and more or less software, internet, all of that. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, why not believe in using your laptop to become monetized? Like, even if you're a YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? People are cashing out by making YouTube videos of anything almost. Like, I only I'm only here to encourage you to try something different. A lot of people out there hate the situation they're in. They hate their job. They hate the commute. They hate the coworkers. Like, they're just miserable. Like, I don't understand that. And they're living in the true definition of insanity. If you're not willing to try something new, then doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results, that's the definition of insanity. So, unless you're just pure crazy, I don't see why not try something new. And if you connect with the right team, the right mentors, the right strategy, and apply the system that we have, you too can make money online. It's hands down. So just check out the description, and I have links below of companies that I deal with that pay pretty much directly to PayPal. And like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I see you at the top.